Henan Zherui Steel Trading Company Limited is a collection of steel procurement, sales, deep processing, import and export trade as one of the large steel trading company. Our company began to agent steel mills in 2010, including Anyang Steel, Huyang Steel, Suzhou Steel, Shougang Group, Zherui Steel, Nanjing Steel, Wuhan Steel, Jinye Group, Hebei Iron and Steel Group. The main agent products have 6 main series. Weathering steel, wear-resistant plate, boiler and pressure vessel plate, shipbuilding and marine steel. Low alloy, high-strength steel perennial has more than 5,000 tons of inventory. Since its inception, always adhere to the integrity, professionalism, innovation, win-win service concept to provide customers with high-quality, high-performance, cost-effective steel products. From different areas to absorb the elite, formed a set of production, scientific research, procurement, technology, sales management as one of the excellent team. Our excellent international sales team and perfect after-sales service system to provide you with tailored services. All the staff of the company is eager to build an excellent team. We always produce excellent products to improve their own. To our dear customers, to evaluate the quality and credibility of the products, to the international market to test our prices. In order to meet the extension needs of customers, expand the zero-cut deep processing services. Now we have processing equipment, including decoiler machine, slitting rewinding machine, rolling machine, bending machine, laser cutting machine, automatic cutting machine, plasma cutting machine, submerged arc welding, argon arc welding, sand polishing and derusting equipment, CNC machining center, steel structure processing. To ensure our annual production capacity of 100,000 tons and product quality, Henan Zherui Steel Trading Company Limited to become China's first-class steel product suppliers, made in China for the development of the name of the vision. The company adhering to the achievements of staff dream, create customer value, committed to the development of green steel products with excellent products and services to the world. Over the years, Henan Zherui Steel Trading Company Limited with excellent product quality, satisfactory service, timely delivery, welcomed by the majority of customers. Products are exported to the United States, Australia, South Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, Egypt, Netherlands, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Indonesia, and other countries and regions. Henan Zherui Steel Trading Company Limited looks forward to cooperating with you.